This is such a beautiful area here. The trout are visible in the stream. You can see them swimming to the side of the current, waiting for food to drop into their mouth. The tough part about these trout is that they don't really strike. They just open their mouth, the food flows in, and if they don't like it, they spit it back out. So your timing is got to be impeccable. The indicator just stops in the water just for a split second, and you have to be, the current's not real fast to begin with, so you got to be on the ball. And as I get a little older, I'm a little less on the ball, especially in such beautiful surroundings where it's so peaceful, quiet. I just kind of lose myself in the moment. So it's I missed a lot of trout, but well, no biggie. I had a beautiful day. Too slow, yeah, I know. But I had a beautiful day, and it was just wonderful. I did catch quite a few of them. They're wonderful little trouts. They're all native to that area, so they're crossbreeding. I found browns, rainbows, brooks. There's quite a few different trout that I was catching. This stream is fairly good all the way up and down. It stretches for quite a ways that you can get to it easily enough, by the campsites or by the road. A lot of the trout were this size, but there was quite a few larger ones. A couple of them that I lost as I picked them up out of the water, that very first one I showed you. That was pretty good sized trout. A lot of them were 8 inches, maybe some a little less, but they were all pretty good fighters. It was fun. It was fun catching those guys. Now this is a pretty nice trout right there. We'll put him back and let him grow for another day, another year maybe. If I ever get back to this spot, it'd be nice to get back to this spot. Well, I'm glad I could spend this day with you and show you where I went and the peaceful tranquility of it all. We caught a lot of nice trout, and I lost a lot of trout like this one right here. Man, that's all right. Hey everybody, well, thanks for joining us. We appreciate you. Hit that like button, share the videos for us. If you have comments on what you'd like to see, let us know. We'll do what we can. Hit that if you want to see the next videos, get notifications, hit that subscribe button down below there, and just remember, till next time, life's a gift. Get outdoors. See ya. Bye.